Hello, my little warriors. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, eSchool Bell. In this video, we shall see question number 9 of CBSE Class 10, exercise number 8, Trigonometry chapter. And the question states in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and then cos A sin C minus sin A sin C. Very simple problem. We will solve this using the Pythagoras theorem. First, we will draw a triangle and then we will label ABC, and the triangle is right angled at B, so angle B will be 90 degrees and tan A is basically 1 by root 3. So after that, we will substitute the values for tan A in opposite and in adjacent sides, and then we will find the third side, which will be the hypotenuse. Once we find all these three values, then we can start directly putting these values in the question, which is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and then we will solve that and then we will get the answer. Okay, so let's start solving the problem. Here we have a right angle triangle. We will name this triangle as ABC, right angle at B. So this particular part we'll take it as B. This one will be B, angle B. We will take this as angle A and this as angle C. So angle A, for angle A, this one will be opposite and this one will be adjacent or base, and this is hypotenuse for angle A. So what we are given is, we are given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is tan A? Opposite by adjacent. Therefore, opposite will be equal to 1 and adjacent will be equivalent to root 3. So, we have to find the hypotenuse, which is AC, we have to find, for which we will use the Pythagoras theorem. As per that, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is root 3 the whole square plus 1 square, that equals 3 plus 1, that equals 4. So AC square is equal to 4, or AC will be equal to 2. So AC is 2. Now hypotenuse is 2. Basically AC will come as plus or minus 2, but since we will take all coming in first quadrant, so in first quadrant all are positive, that's why we will ignore the negative value. Okay, now what will be sin A? Sin A is basically opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is basically 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Sin A is 1 by 2. Then cos A. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is root 3, hypotenuse is 2. So cos A is root 3 by 2. Now similarly, we have to find sin C. Sin C. Now when it comes to sin C, I will write in another color. So we will write in pink color. Okay. So this is angle C. This angle C is C. Now angle opposite to that is will be opposite angle, and the angle which is not angle, and the side opposite to that will be actually known as the opposite side, and the side which is adjacent to it, this is the adjacent side, this is the base or the adjacent. So here adjacent will be 1 and opposite side will be equal to root 3 when it comes to sin C. Therefore, sin C will be equal to opposite by hypotenuse. I think I'll better write in pink color so that you can differentiate this. Okay, so I'll write this in pink color. So it will be opposite by hypotenuse. Here the opposite is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Hypotenuse will remain the same. And cos C. Cos C will be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent will be 1 and hypotenuse will be 2. Now we will solve the first part of the question. Sin A cos C. Okay, now we'll write in another color because everything now this is jumbled. Oh, so I will take here color green. Okay. So first part of the question is sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C. So sin A is how much? Sin A is here 1 by 2. Cos C is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Plus cos A. Cos A is how much? Root 3 by 2. Into sin C. Sin C is how much? Root 3 by 2. This implies 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That equals 4 by 4. And the answer is 1. The first part of the question, the answer is 1. Now let's see the second part of the question. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A is how much? Root 3 by 2. And cos C is 1 by 2. Minus sin A is 1 by 2 into sin C root 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 3 by 4 minus, no, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Both will get cancelled and the answer will be 0. Okay, solving is very simple. First, when we take this angle A, so and when you are taking this angle, the opposite side, this is the opposite side, and this will become the adjacent side when you are taking angle A. Now let me change the color and I'll make a different color. Okay, and now when we are taking the angle C, this is angle C. This will be the opposite side. Or C, opposite side is this, and adjacent side will be this, or the base will be this. Okay, so basis the position of this angle, you have to take opposite side and the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse remain the same in both the cases. Okay, now hope you understood the working of this problem. Let's see in the next problem. Thank you so much.